Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Abshe.
Leeroy Sidambe and Mihlali have been trending since the weekend, and they're still trending, and a lot has been said about them. Shame, good things and the positive things. After seeing Leeroy and Mihlali wearing matching outfits, there were speculations that the couple is getting married, but Leeroy Sidambe has finally came out and responded to the rumors. One of his friends wished him very well and insinuated that the guy is getting married to Mihlali Ndamase. Leeroy wrote to his friend post, "My friend, as much as you always wish well for me, for the record, it was never a wedding, lobola, home-warming party or anything to do with my relationship with Mihlali. It was just umsebenzi wam enguwenza every year in memory of my mother who passed on," meaning it was a ritual he always do every year to honor his late mother. This guy is confusing us. Pela, we thought they were getting married after seeing that video where Abo Somsom were singing Umakoti Ungowethu. Maybe they were just testing the waters. They wanna see the reaction if they get married. Share your thoughts on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.